Hey guys, last time I discussed about the links. Now in this video I am going to discuss about images. What are images and how we can use it in our HTML document or in our web page. There are many reasons why you might want to add an images to a web page. You might want to include a logo, photograph, illustration, diagram and chart etc, so you can store images on your website. As the website grow, keeping image in separate folder help you understand how the site is organized. Here you can see the example of file of a website. All of images are stored in a folder called images, or you can give any name to this folder. One big site you make like to add subfolder inside the images folder. For example, images such as logos and buttons might cite in the folder called interface. Product photograph may cite in page called products, and images related to news might live in the folder called news. So this way you can save images on your website. Adding image, how to add the image on your website. Img tag is used for adding the image on your web page. To add an image into page, you need to use an Img element. This is an empty element, which means there is no closing tag. It must carry the following two attributes. The first one is the source. This tells the browser when it can find where it can find the image file. This is usually be relative URL point to the image on your own site. And the second is the alt. The alt provide description of image. We describe image, you can see it. And the third one is the title. You can also use the attribute title attribute with the Img element to provide additional information about the image. Most browser display content of attribute in a tooltip when you hover over the image. And height and width of image. You can specify the height of image in pixel and width in pixel. Where to place image in your code. Where an image is placed in your code will affect how it's displayed. How are three examples of image placement produce different result. Before paragraph, the paragraph on the news line after image. Inside the paragraph and in the middle of paragraph. So you can align the your image. There are five attributes to aligning the image. First one is left, it align the image to left, and second one is the right, it align your image to a right hand, and the top is the align the first line of surrounding text with the top of image, and the middle align the first surrounding text with the middle of image, and the bottom align the first line of surrounding text at the bottom of image. So this is the alignment of image. There are three rules of creating the image. Three rules to remember when you creating image for your website. You can summarize below, which are summarized below. Number one, first rule is save image in the right format. Website mainly use in images in JPEG, GIF or PNG format. If you are using the wrong format, then your image might not look on the sharp edge, should make the web page slow or load. The second rule is save image at the right size. You should save the image at the same width and height it will appear on the website. If the image is smaller than width or height, then you should specify the image can store and stretch. If the image is larger than the width and height, if you specify the image will be take longer to display on page. So save your image on the right size which are showing you on web page. The third rule is use the correct resolution. Computer screen are made up of dot known as pixel. Image used on web page are also made of tiny dots. The resolution refers to number of dot per inch. So remember, number of dot per inch is called resolution, and most computer screen only show web page on at 2072 pixel per inch. So save image at higher resolution result the image are larger than necessary and take longer to download. So save the images at a 72 pixel R. Now I will see it with practical example. I am opening my first document.html. So this is our first document I written last tutorial. So I open it with I open it in my browser text editor. So after that I am using the image attribute img, and the attribute is source is equal to background dot png, and you can use the forward slash in that type of attribute, that type of element. So I am reload the page and scroll to the bottom, so you will see the image is here. Here I am creating a new folder for our images, so you can, in that way you can organize your website in better way. And I am moving it into images, and here I am going to change my location in images slash background dot png. Save and reload the page, you will see image here. So now you can use alt attribute, alt equal to this. Here will be the text when the image is not shown. This is the image, and another is the title. When you hover on the image the title will be shown. This is the title, quotation close, control S to save and reload your page. So this is the image, and when you hover the image the title will be shown. This is the title. Now I am checking the source where is images slash, control S and reload the page, so the image will show image. So you see I type here images, so remove S and our image will be shown. Reload, so this is our image. When you hover it, and this is the title will be showing. Okay, so this image size is too large, so you can set the height and width of your image in pixel. Height equal to, in double quotation, 50 pixel, and width is also 50 pixel. Fifty. Control S to save and reload the page, so you will see image size is 50 by 50. Now after that I am going to align our image, align equal to right. So our image will align it to the right. So this you see the align is the right. I move the image to the over top of page, select the whole text, cut it, Control X and paste it here. Control S and reload the page by pressing F5. So here is the our image. So I am align it, change it, align position. So align it to height equal to bottom. Reload the page. So you see the text of paragraph is the bottom of the image. Now top I am align it to top. So you see the paragraph line is the top of the our image, and the center. So paragraph is at the center of the image. This is the aligning of our image. Now click on image in window 10. You can see here uh, copy path. You can also use the copy path option to link your image. I'm removing this, and I'll copy the path and I am going to paste now. Control V to paste and Control S. So our image will be loaded. This is easy way to link your image. So this is the whole URL of c/user/hp desktop html images background.png. This is the whole URL link. Control S, and now I am going to change the size of our image. When I open it, it is a very large in size. So as you see, this size is very large. Now I use Photoshop to edit our picture for our web page. So our image is opened. Now I am creating a new file, and here we will give to the name of our image web image, and here I will give it the size to as you want, 50 pixel height and 50 pixel width, and here you will see the in pixel, and here is the resolution of your image. If the resolution is very high, so it will take longer to download, and your page will be very heavy. So set the resolution 272 pixel per inch and click OK. So our new file is created. Now unlock this file by double clicking on it and select the move tool and move our image to this, and control T to transform your image. So set your image to 50 by 50 pixel. Okay, now press enter, and now control S or save our image. And desktop folder, here is HTML folder, and HTML there is image, and here select the extension JPG or PNG. Save. Okay, and now give the name it to web image dot jpg. Control S and reload your page. So this is the actual size of your image. So this is about images and how you can use your image and align, and you know the three rules for creating your image. So stay tuned and I will discuss about more in CSS styling it.